In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily embed and customize a calendar on your Squarespace website. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional calendar integrated into your site, ready to manage and display events. So let's jump right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Squarespace website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the URL, or simply searching for Squarespace in your preferred search engine. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, you'll need to log in using your account credentials. If you're not yet a Squarespace user, you'll need to sign up to access the website's editing features. With access to your Squarespace account, the next step is to locate your website in the dashboard. You should see a list of your websites, and from here, select the website you want to work on. Once you have the right website open, look for the Edit button to make changes to your site's design and content. This will take you to the site editor where you'll be able to see your website layout and start making modifications. Now that you're in the editing mode, it's time to add a calendar to your page. To do this, look for the Add Block button within the page sections or wherever you see fit to place your calendar. Clicking on this will bring up a menu of different content blocks you can add to your site. Scroll through these options until you find the Calendar block. The calendar feature is an excellent addition for businesses, bloggers, or anyone who wants to keep their audience informed about upcoming events, appointments, or activities. After selecting the calendar block, you can begin customizing it to suit your needs. Click on the calendar to enter the editing options. Here, you have the flexibility to add various details. You can start by adding images to your events. This visually enriches the user experience and provides a glimpse of what each event is about. Simply click the image placeholder within any event to upload your chosen images. Next, set the events by adding titles, descriptions, and specific dates and times that are important for your audience. If you need to create recurring events, check for repeat settings, which can automate this process for you. Lastly, adjust the size and layout of the calendar to fit your design needs, ensuring that it integrates seamlessly with the rest of your website's aesthetic. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added and customized a calendar on your Squarespace site that's ready to share your important dates with visitors. This tool can play a crucial part in enhancing your site's functionality and keeping your audience engaged with up-to-date information. Thanks for watching, and happy site building!